Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to our channel, where we make travel smarter and easier. Today, we're diving into how to check if a flight is full in 2025. With airlines getting busier and new tech making things more efficient, knowing if a flight is packed can help you score better seats, avoid crowds, or even switch flights if needed. Let's jump right in. First, head straight to the airline's official website or app. Most major carriers like Delta, United, or American Airlines have updated their platforms for 2025 with real-time data. Simply search for your flight number or route, and look for the Seat Map, or Availability, section. This often shows how many seats are left in different classes, economy, premium, or business. Next, use popular flight search engines like Google Flights or Kayak. These sites have advanced AI tools in 2025 that estimate occupancy based on historical data and current bookings. Enter your travel details and check the Details tab for occupancy insights. It's quick and free. Don't forget about airline apps. Many now integrate with smart assistants. For example, say, "Hey Google, check if my flight to New York is full," and it might pull up the info instantly. If you're tech savvy, apps like TripIt or Flighty can sync with your bookings and alert you about full flights. If online tools aren't cutting it, give the airline a call. Customer service reps can access the latest details, especially for last-minute checks. Pro tip: call during off-peak hours to avoid long waits. Finally, keep an eye on social media or forums like Reddit, where travelers often share real-time updates about overbooked flights. But always verify with official sources to stay accurate. There you have it. Simple steps to check if your flight is full in 2025. This knowledge can make your travels less stressful and more enjoyable. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Safe travels, everyone.